Reholster. What you do there is you ride the slide. When you rack it, you want to do like this, right? Because racking like that points it for where the thread is, and you want to rack it, so I let it do its work. If you hold it and let it go back, that's riding the slide.
It's not good.
It won't function properly. You understand the course of fire?
Yes, sir.
Shooter ready.
Yes.
Reholster.